Will at Jordan Bikes, and today we've got for sale this. It's a Triumph Street Triple. This one is an RS 765. What an absolute beauty it is. 2018 model. It's a gorgeous bit of kit. As you can see there, the daytime running lights as well in the LED. It's done 3,228 miles. It's a belter. These come with the Brembo brakes. It's also got the Brembo master cylinder on there, so it really has got the stopping power. Not to mention that absolutely stunning Arrow exhaust, and we'll get to the noise in that in a second. Seat cowl on the top. Yeah, what a belter these are. To show you the displays there, and you can change the displays on one of these bad boys. To show you there, display 2, display 3. For me, I like everything a bit bigger, so cracking. Everything's done by your little gear stick, well, not gear stick, little selector on the bottom there, and also different power modes. As you can see, it's just as nice as the right hand side. Extras wise, it's got the Triumph protection on the side and on the engine. As standard, they come with a quickshifter on these bad boys anyway. Stunner of a bike. Seat cowl. Yeah, what an absolute beauty. And then the bar end mirrors. Great looking colour in this, gloss black. It's not gloss black, it's actually metallic black. Sorry guys. However, biggest thing, the noise of that exhaust. Don't want to give it too many ponies, but you can get the feel. It is a noisy beast, is this one. Fantastic. Anyway, guys, you've seen this absolute beauty. All you need to do, drop us a Facebook message, send us an email, go on to jordanbikes.com, or the simplest thing, just give us a call. Cheers, guys.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.